REDMAGIC 9 Pro is advertised as a gaming phone because it has a powerful chip, an active cooling system, and shoulder triggers that enhance the gaming experience. There is also a dedicated gaming space that can be opened up with a push of the slider. This environment gives you a lot of settings and customization options to enhance your gaming experience. You can rest assured that this phone will handle absolutely every game you throw at it without breaking a sweat. The ventilation grills on both sides keep the phone cool and help avoid thermal throttling. The 9 Pro is definitely one of the best phones for gaming, but I think it offers a lot more than that. It all starts with a beautiful design that stands out from the crowd. The phone has a cool-looking see-through glass back cover with an actively spinning fan along with LED lighting being the star of the show. There is another LED on the back and 2 more inside the shoulder triggers. You can change the light color and effects in the settings menu. Also, the camera module sits underneath the glass and the backplate is completely flat, a very rare feature nowadays. The REDMAGIC 9 Pro is one of the nicest looking phones to me. Well, it's a little bit boxy, but the edges of the phone are rounded so they don't cut into your palm. The frame is made of aluminum and there is a lot of going on each side. We have a set of capacitive shoulder triggers, a vent exhaust grill, a volume rocker, a power key, the gaming space slider, and one of the mics. On the left, there is an air intake grill. The phone still has a headphone jack and an impressive sounding and loud set of speakers that are implemented on the top and bottom of the phone. Here are a few audio samples. The display is very good for gaming, everyday stuff, for indoor and outdoor use thanks to a good amount of brightness. The under-the-screen fingerprint reader is fast and accurate. The REDMAGIC 9 Pro is not only one of the most fastest phones for gaming but also for everyday stuff. Well, there might be some awkward English translations from Chinese, but in general, I like the software because of its speed, smoothness, and quite a few extra features and customization options. Just to name a few, you can change themes and do a lot of visual customizations or play with some gestures. My favorite is the ability to customize and change the colors of the LED lights. The REDMAGIC 9 Pro is not being advertised as a camera phone, but it still ships with a triple sensor system that is capable of taking pretty good quality photos. The ultra-wide camera shots are quite decent. While the photos taken with the main sensor can't compete with flagships, the quality is still very good considering this is not a camera-centric device. Surprisingly, the full resolution mode provides better quality photos that have plenty of detail and sharpness. The low-light image quality may not be perfect, but it's still pretty good. The macro shots do not impress, but I found the portraits to be pretty nice. Most of them have a nice edge detection and a good overall look. The under-the-display cameras on phones have improved over the years, but they are still below average. Selfies coming out of this phone look quite bad and the selfie camera collapses in low light. The main camera can record 8K videos and the quality is surprisingly good, albeit the footage lacks image stabilization. That's why I suggest you use 4K 60fps mode for a nice, detailed and smooth video. The selfie video quality is just mediocre. The battery life on this phone is very good thanks to the huge capacity power bank. You can expect to use the phone for at least a few days, but obviously the battery life will decrease dramatically once you start gaming. Charging time is just 42 minutes with a supplied 80 watts fast charger. In conclusion, the REDMAGIC 9 Pro is a lot more than just a powerful gaming phone. Sure, it has a few flaws, but overall, it's one of the best phones for the price considering the sheer power, overall performance, standout design, and other features. Thus, I can easily recommend it as one of the best price and performance ratio phones with a standout design. What do you think about the REDMAGIC 9 Pro? Would you buy this device or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.